Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming from the digital studios of Market Club, and stocks fell again Friday after President Trump suggested that a meeting with China on trade might be canceled, capping a tumultuous week driven by the trade war and the emerging currency fight between the US and China. And as we're ought to do on a Friday, we'll take a look at weekly charts, and we'll start with the S&P 500. Currently, chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we're still in a sidelines mode for the S&P 500, and it looks right now to be down almost 1 full percentage point on the week, unable to erase the losses suffered earlier in the week. Currently down 0.9%, flirting with that negative 1% on the week. Key level to watch will be 2,728.81. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle, indicating a move to a long-term downtrend. You can also keep an eye on 3,027.98. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the S&P 500. So quite a bit of work to do on either one of those. Is a foreseeable future we could just be in a sidelines mode. Dollar index coming under heavy pressure, down about 0.7% on the week, with a chart analysis score plus 55. So overall, that long-term trend is weakening. However, we still have a green weekly trade triangle in play, so we're still in the long-term uptrend. Key level to watch would be 97.12. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the US dollar. Dow Jones currently down 1.3% on the week, trading at 26,139.78, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position. Key level to watch, I'll give you two. First one would be 24,680.57. A move below that level would issue a red monthly trade triangle. And look at 27,368.81. A move above that level would give you a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the Dow. NASDAQ currently down almost 1 full percentage point, trading at 7,924.73, with a chart analysis score negative 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position for the NASDAQ as well. Key levels to watch would be 7,292.22. A move below that level would indicate a red monthly trade triangle, and 8,339.64. A move above that level would give us a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move back to a long position for the NASDAQ. Gold having a great week, up a little over 4% on the week, trading above 1,500 for the first time in quite a long time at $1,513.70, with a chart analysis score plus 75, with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that we are in a long-term uptrend. Key level to watch would be 1,503.50. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a short-term sidelines position for gold. Crude oil right now losing 1.5% on the week, with a chart analysis score negative 75, trading at 54.35. However, it's had a bit of a bounce today as news is coming out of OPEC that they plan on having a production cut. So I'll have to see if they actually follow through with that. However, your key level to watch will be 52.25. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move back to a short-term short position for crude oil. We'll wrap it up with the star of the week, which is Bitcoin. Currently coming under a little bit of pressure today, down about 0.6%, but overall up 8.7% on the week, issuing a new green weekly trade triangle at 11,370.78. Currently with a chart analysis score plus 100, trading at 11,775.56. Key level to watch would be 9,111. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for Bitcoin. With that, every success. Have a great weekend, and we'll look for better things in the market next week.